Okay, moving on, we're going to take a look at number 5 here. So number 5 is this ratio, 4 square yards is 36 feet, and I need to figure out the 10 square yards. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to choose to use a ratio table. Okay, so in my ratio table, I have my square yards, and I have my square feet. Okay, and what I know is that 4 square yards is equal to 36 square feet. So those are the same. They represent the same amount. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out 10. Okay, so from here in this ratio table, there are going to be some things that might be really helpful for me. So one is that from here to here, if I double, I get an 8. Okay, and if I take this and I double, right, times 2, double, I get a 72. So that might be nice to know. And this is close to 10. I'm close. I'm only 2 square yards away. Well, you know what I can do is I can figure out that 2 right there. So if I take half of 4, that's 2. Take half of 36, that's 18. Right? That's 18. So now what I can do is I can combine these two pieces together because the rates are going to be maintained, and I'm going to combine those two together. Right? So if I get 10, which comes out of 8 and 2, which are my 2 parts of the table, that means that this down here is the combination of 72 and 18, right? And that is that. Okay? Whoop, forgot my 0. 90. Okay? 10 to 90. Okay? Now, what's interesting, okay, is if I was to do this and say, 1, right? 10 divided by 10 is 1. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. I get the same ratio, but then what I do here with this is I can take this 1, multiply by 10, gives me 10. So I'm back to that unit rate, which is really, really powerful. Powerful enough that we want to find it frequently, right? So then 10 times 1, 10 times 9. Scale everything up at the same rate. By the way, in case you're curious, I'm going to do a quick sketch of this. They have these 4 square yards, right? So if I was going to draw this picture here, right, and say this is 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. These are all yards, right? 1 yard, 1 yard. So that means this is 2 yards by 2 yards, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 yards. Okay, so there's my square yards, but in terms of feet, this is 3 feet, and this is 3 feet, which means that this is 6 feet. And then this is also 3 feet, which means that this is 6 feet. And 6 times 6, that's where we're getting that 36, by the way.